Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated Tecno Camon 40 Pro 4G. Is it the budget-friendly powerhouse we've been waiting for? Let's find out. First impressions matter, and the Camon 40 Pro 4G doesn't disappoint. With its 6.78-inch AMOLED display boasting a 120Hz refresh rate, every swipe feels buttery smooth. Whether you're scrolling through social media or watching your favorite videos, the vibrant colors and sharp details are sure to impress. Under the hood, the MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate chipset powers the Camon 40 Pro 4G, paired with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. This device handles daily tasks and multitasking with ease. Plus, with iOS 15, based on Android 15, the user experience is both intuitive and responsive. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the 50-megapixel main camera featuring a Sony LYT-700C sensor, delivering impressive low-light performance. The 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens expands your creative possibilities, while the 50-megapixel selfie camera ensures your self-portraits are always on point. Equipped with a 5,200 mAh battery, the Camon 40 Pro 4G offers all-day usage. And when it's time to recharge, the 45-watt fast charging gets you from 0 to 100% in just 43 minutes, ensuring you're back up and running in no time. Beyond the basics, this device offers an IP68/IP69 rating for dust and water resistance, stereo speakers for immersive audio, and a host of connectivity options including NFC and USB Type-C. To wrap up, the Tecno Camon 40 Pro 4G impresses with its design, performance, and camera capabilities. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly smartphone that doesn't compromise on quality, this might just be the one for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Drop your thoughts or questions about the Camon 40 Pro 4G in the comments below.